Hello viewers, I have been using Ipados 18.1 on my iPad 10th generation for 2 days. After installing this update, I am encountering some heating issue on my iPad in normal day-to-day tasks like scrolling through apps and multitasking. The back of the device seems to be a little bit heated. However, though it is not an abnormal heating, but yet there is some heating issue. After this update, I opened the Note app and there are some new changes in the Note app like audio transcription, handwritten alignment, math tools, and also highlights and collab text. There are many features that had been added in the Note app. Many users want to know whether they can use Notes app on the video or while watching video. On the top of that, if they can use the Note like they can in Samsung tablets. But sadly, there is no such option as of now in this Ipados 18. Maybe Apple may include this feature in future updates. Apart from this feature, actually this Note app is very feature rich. You can get a lot of things inside this like find note, move note, math results, recent notes, line grids, attachment, etc. After Ipados 18, there was very heating issue. Then Apple pushed Ipados 18.0.1 and after that I made a video on the customization and on the location services that you need to turn off, and after that I am getting a very good battery life. So if you turn off such settings like this, you can get very good battery life on your existing iOS or existing iPads. If you haven't watched that video, links are in the description below of that video. You may check out that video to get a good battery life out of your iPad. When I initially updated to the latest version of Ipados 18.1, actually the storage was on the increased side and the system data was actually about 6 GB, but after few days I can see that the system storage has been decreased by the system, and here you can see that the current size is about 5.57 GB, so that's a great thing as you can see here. After that I checked the battery life and usually I am getting a very good battery life, however little bit lower than the last update. As you can see here, I have charged up to 100% yesterday and currently you can see that the charge is 37%, and yesterday, that Wednesday, I got around 4 hours and 11 minutes of battery life, and today I have, and you can see the usage. I have used YouTube, Netflix, Note app, Photos app and many other apps, and today I got around 1 hour and 29 minutes. So I have already got around 6 hours of battery and yet 30% battery is left. So on an average I will get around 7 to 8 hours of battery life compared to 10 hours of battery life on iOS 18.0.1. Even in the File app there are some changes that I will discuss in a separate video. A lot of users are actually confused between Photos and File app. Actually File app is not like Android file manager. This File app is little bit different. I will talk in a detailed way in another video about this File app. So if you are interested to know about iCloud, Photos app and File app, then you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on. That will be very interesting videos for all of you who are using iPhones or iPads. Hope this video has become informative to you. So in the conclusion, should you update to the latest version? The answer is no. You should not update right now. After few days another update will come when they will fix the battery drainage issue. So if you are eager to update, you can, but if you want to wait for that update, I would suggest to wait for few days when you will get the stable version and the battery problem will be solved after that update. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.